Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Did you know your morning orange juice is secretly a genius? Today, we are uncovering how vitamins boost your energy, brain power, and health. Trust me, you'll never skip them again. Let's go. Today we talk about vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds essential for normal growth, metabolism, and overall health. They are categorized based on their solubility. Their categories are 1. Fat-soluble vitamins. 2. Water-soluble vitamins. 1. Fat-soluble vitamins. Let's talk about them regarding their solubility. Fat-soluble vitamins are that are absorbed along with fats, lipids, in the body and can be stored in the liver and fatty tissues. A key feature is that they remain in the body for a longer time. Overconsumption can sometimes be harmful. Vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin D, calciferol. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Vitamin K, phylloquinone, menaquinone. Vitamin A. The scientific name of vitamin A is retinol. The major sources of vitamin A are carrots, dairy, fish oil, eggs, green leafy vegetables. Key roles of vitamin A in human body are: it improves vision, especially night vision, it boosts immune system, it supports skin and reproductive health, and deficiency of vitamin A can cause medley, night blindness, dry skin, increased infections. Vitamin D. The scientific name of vitamin D is cholecalciferol. D3, ergocalciferol. D2, the sources of vitamin D are sunlight, fatty fish, salmon, tuna, egg yolk, fortified milk. Key roles of vitamin D in human body. It helps calcium absorption. It strengthens bones and teeth. It supports immune function. Deficiency of vitamin D can cause rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults, weak bones. Vitamin E. The scientific name of vitamin E is tocopherol. The sources of vitamin E are nuts, almonds, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach, avocado. Key roles of vitamin E in human body. It powerful antioxidant. It protects cells from damage. It good for skin and hair. Deficiency of vitamin K can cause muscle weakness, vision problems, neurological issues, but it is rare. Vitamin K. The scientific name of vitamin K is phylloquinone. K1, menaquinone. K2. The sources of vitamin K are green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, liver. Key roles of vitamin K in human body. It helps blood clotting and it supports bone health. Deficiency of vitamin K can cause excessive bleeding, easy bruising, weak bones. The second type is water-soluble vitamins. Let's talk about their nature and solubility. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water, are not stored in the body, and excess amounts are excreted in urine. They must be consumed regularly through diet. It consists vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and vitamin B complex, that is further complex of 8 vitamins. B1, thiamine. B2, riboflavin. B3, niacin. B5, pantothenic acid. B6, pyridoxine. B7, biotin. B9, folate/folic acid. B12, cobalamin. Vitamin C. The scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. The sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, berries, tomatoes, bell peppers. Key roles of vitamin C in human body. It acts as an antioxidant, it boosts immunity, it aids in wound healing. Deficiency of vitamin C can cause scurvy, bleeding gums, fatigue, weak immunity, poor healing. Vitamin B1. The scientific name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. The sources of vitamin B1 are whole grains, pork, legumes, nuts. Key roles of vitamin B1 in human body. It helps in energy metabolism and nerve function. Deficiency of vitamin B1 can cause beriberi, fatigue, nerve damage, muscle weakness. Vitamin B2. The scientific name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin. The sources of vitamin B2 are milk, eggs, green vegetables, almonds. Key roles of vitamin B2 in human body. It supports energy production, skin, and eye health. Deficiency of vitamin B2 can cause cracked lips, sore throat, inflammation of mouth or skin.
Vitamin B3. The scientific name of vitamin B3 is niacin. The sources of vitamin B3 are meat, poultry, fish, whole grains. Key roles of vitamin B3 in human body. It aids digestion, nervous system, and skin health. Deficiency of vitamin B3 can cause pellagra, diarrhea, dermatitis, dementia.
Vitamin B5. The scientific name of vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. The sources of vitamin B5 are eggs, meat, whole grains, broccoli. Key roles of vitamin B5 in human body. It involved in hormone and cholesterol synthesis. Deficiency of vitamin B5 can cause fatigue, headache, numbness, tingling in hands or feet. Vitamin B6. The scientific name of vitamin B6 pyridoxine. The sources of vitamin B6 are bananas, poultry, potatoes, fortified cereals. Key roles of vitamin B6 in human body. It aids in protein metabolism, brain development, immune support synthesis. Deficiency of vitamin B6 can cause irritability, depression, confusion, anemia. Vitamin B7. The scientific name of vitamin B7 biotin. The sources of vitamin B7 are eggs, nuts, seeds, sweet potatoes. Key roles of vitamin B7 in human body. It important for healthy hair, skin and nails. It supports metabolism of fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Deficiency of vitamin B7 can cause hair loss, skin rash, brittle nails, depression. Vitamin B9. The scientific name of vitamin B9 folic acid, folate. The sources of vitamin B9 are leafy greens, legumes, citrus fruits, fortified foods. Key roles of vitamin B9 in human body. Helps form DNA and RNA, vital for proper fetal development. Deficiency of vitamin B9 can cause neural tube defects in babies, anemia, poor growth. Vitamin B12. The scientific name of vitamin B12 cobalamin. The sources of vitamin B12 are meat, dairy, eggs, fortified cereals. Key roles of vitamin B12 in human body. It supports proper nerve function. It essential for red blood cell production. It aids in DNA synthesis. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can cause anemia, memory loss, fatigue, nerve damage. If you loved this chemical adventure, smash that like and subscribe button, share with a friend, and stay tuned for more science updates. Khuda Hafiz.